React, this.setState is not a function. I'm new in React and I'm trying to write an app working with an API. I keep getting this error. Type error. This.setState is not a function. When I try to handle the API response, I suspect it's something wrong with this binding, but I can't figure out how to fix it. Here's the code of my component. The callback is made in a different context. You need to bind to this in order to have access inside the callback. Edit. Looks like you have to bind both the init and API calls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.